We need for our snack some Gouda cheese, tomato sauce. We make a spicy tomato sauce out of this, and some tortilla chips. So stick with me, I'll show you what I do with it. Let's have our chips plain first. Put them in the microwave on very low settings for 1 minute with nothing on it. Just create a little bit of a spicy tomato sauce. I'm not making much because I just need it for 2 of those chips. So I just use a little bit of the tomato sauce, sprinkle of olive oil, a little bit of sugar, black pepper. You can make your sauce the way you like it, so you can use fresh, sharp, spicy chili peppers or jalapeno peppers and grate them in, or you just use a spicy sauce. I use 2 drops of this ghost pepper. I don't want it too spicy now, just 2 drops enough. Okay, 3 went in, that's okay. So you can make a little bit of herbs in here like oregano or parsley if you like that, but I keep it plain for now. So sea salt, black pepper, spicy sauce, tomato sauce, olive oil, a little bit of sugar, and that's it. Now I have to shred my cheese, and I will do that now. And this Gouda here I'm using, you find this in the cooling section in Aldi's. I find this is the best one, what melts really good. So I love this cheese. So let's make the shavings here, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. That should be enough for 3 of those chips. Let's put them together. We will make 2 normal ones. Just put the cheese like this. And the sauce comes in the center. And then we make a deluxe version with the last one here. Let the cheese come here. And yesterday I made a vegan tofu chili, and I have leftover, and I put a spoon of that in the center. And then this one goes into the microwave for a minute or so, and the cheese melts and the tomato sauce right into the cheese, and then we have a nice fast snack for in between the meals. That's what we did in Germany, and it's still delicious today. And we go ahead and put the chips back into the microwave on low settings for 40 to 50 seconds. Keep an eye on it so that the cheese don't overheat and burn into the chips. I can go in for 15 more seconds, I guess, a little bit more. So be patient with me. Here we go, let's do 20 seconds. That's the way it should look. All the cheese is melted in and it's not burnt. And you got your snack to go. They call it in Bitburg, Germany, Nachos, from the Nacho imbiss stand. And we went there all the time, yes. Oh, and one more thing. If you make this one and you have little children or small kids who don't like spicy meals, just make a different kind of sauce, one spicy and one for kids with a little bit more sweetness in. Also, you can add some vegetables on top of it, so make it the way you like it and go for it. Let me know if you try it. Thank you for watching.